Hey everybody, I'm doing a Meijer haul. If you live in the Midwest and you have a Meijer, starting today, which is Sunday, January 26th, at least in my store, and I think it's probably all over the Midwest, they have an additional 50% off their yellow tag clearance. And in my stores, it was an additional 75% off any pink tag clearance. That's with clothes as far as the pink tag. The yellow tag, the store associate told me it was on shoes and on clothes. So I'm gonna show you what I got. Let's see. This is a Falls Creek performance jacket. It's a men's jacket. And it's like that wicked material. And if you can see, it's quilted on each side in the front. And it does have zip pockets on each side. Let's see, let me tell you the prices. This jacket was regularly $50. It was marked down to $22.50, and I got 50% off of that, so $11.25. This is like a quilted flannel jacket. It's also men's. And as you can see, it's quilted. This, let me see who makes this. This is Edgar and Ash. It was regular $60. Wow. Marked down to $24, and I got it for $12. Okay. And these are some blouses I bought for work. I've been looking at these. These are women's, and this is Falls Creek. That's the my brand, store brand label is Falls Creek. Short sleeve blouse for work. Let's see. Oh, that one doesn't have a tag on it. I remember that. This one does. This is the same style, different color. And they were the same price. So, wow. Regular 26, marked down to 13. So I paid $6.50 for each of these. So $6.50 for this one, $6.50 for that. Put that down in here. And as far as I know, this clearance sale is going to run through Saturday, which is February 1st. It may run longer, but my sister was the one that told me about the sale. I didn't even know it was starting today. So, oh wow. I got to figure out, okay, who's the maker? This is Ultra Flirt. And it was regular $44. Marked down to $22, so I paid $11 for it. This is a button down, like, what do they call these? Shirt jackets? Or slacket or something like that. It's got a hood on it too. So this is very comfortable. This is women's. Yeah, this is very comfortable. Okay, let's see. Oh, these are like some jogging pants, and it's that Wiccan material kind of. This is women's. This is made by MTA Sport. Regular $44. Good night. Marked down to $15.40, so I paid $7.70. These are nice. I got these in the navy blue. It does have pockets. And then I got like an army green in it. And it was also, yeah, $15.40. And what I like about these, the ankle, it's tapered a little bit, but it's not going to be stuck to my ankle. It doesn't look like. And this is like a Sherpa lined jacket. This was men's. Let's see who makes this. This Falls Creek. Yeah, it even has a label that it's Sherpa lined. Has pockets. Okay, where's the tag on this? I don't know where the tag is. I don't know where the tag is on this, guys. I'm sorry. This was part of the clearance, though. I think my sister took the tag off. When I get home with my shopping haul, she has to go through all the bags, and she starts going through them and seeing what's in there. Move that bag out of the way. These house shoes. You know, I like the platform house shoes. This is by Falls Creek. They weren't on clearance, but they were marked down to $6.99. These are regular $26 a pair. $6.99. Now my sister did tell me, because I got these for her for Christmas, she said the sole of it, the back of it is a little slick, a little slippery, but my younger brother was like, just get a little grit, little dust or something on it to, you know, get some of that slickness off. So if you buy these, be mindful of that. They're a little slippery. Just get some dust or dirt on them to get rid of that slickness. But these are so comfortable. Oops. And they come in small, medium, large. Like, this is a large. This is a 9/10. The small, I think, is 5 to 6. The medium is 7 to 8. Again, the large is 9 to 10, and the extra large is 11 to 12. I don't think they had a size bigger than that. And this is in women's. And this was on sale, not on clearance. And I got 2 of those. I got myself 1 for Christmas, so now I have 3 pair. This is a Sherpa lined, like a thermal jacket, or not jacket, but shirt. It's made by Falls Creek. This one does have the tag, regular 40, marked down to 20, so I paid $10 for it. And I'll show you the inside so you can see the Sherpa lining. There's the Sherpa lining. And this has some weight to it, so I can't wait. When it was -2 here last week, that's the shirt I needed. If you like thermal underwear, I saw those at Meijer. They only had the tops though, they didn't have the bottoms, but they were $10 in men's, so it'd be $5 because they're yellow tag. But again, I didn't see any bottoms, unfortunately. Now this is a brand I've never seen up there before. It's Lake and Trail. And it's a jacket, and it's got some weight to it too. It's got pockets on each side. Let's see. It was a $45 regular price, marked down to $16.99, so I paid $8.50 for it. It does have a hood. But there's the front of it. Here's the back of it. So that'll be a nice jacket. Try to keep these separate, so I'll remember what goes in each bag. I ended up with 2 bags of stuff. My sister ended up with 3. She got the same thing I got. So this is just a sweatshirt. It's made by Falls Creek. It's nice. Got a good size weight. I'd say medium weight to it. Regular 36, marked down to $16.20, so I pay $8.10. And it's not Sherpa lined or anything. It's just, you know, regular lining on the inside, but it's got some weight to it, and that's men's. And I got, this is Edgar and Ash, regular 36 down to $14.40, so I paid $7.20 for this sweatshirt. Again, this is Edgar and Ash. It's just a plain sweatshirt, but it's got weight to it. So, and this is also in men's. Let's see. This is like a pink button-down sweater in women's. Who made this? Falls Creek. This one runs a little small, so I got a large, extra large, and I got my sister I think it's just a 1X, but this was regular $44. Oops, that's in the way. Marked down to $17.60. So I paid $8.80 for it. And it's just a button down sweater. Here's the buttons. And it's got some weight to it. And this is the last of my haul. I've got another Edgar and Ash sweatshirt. This is in men's. And I think all these sweatshirts for Edgar and Ash were the same. Regular 36, marked down to $14.40, so $7.20. So again, if you're in the Midwest, and I think Kentucky, and you have a Meijer, they have an additional 50% off their clearance if it's yellow tag and in clothes and shoes. And if it's pink tag clearance, it's additional 75% off, but only in clothes. At least that's what the store associate told me here. And Meijer is like a super Walmart for those of you that don't have one near you, because it has grocery on one side and it has general merchandise on the other. Well, thanks for coming along with my haul. I will tell you this. I bought a lot of stuff. I bought stuff for my sister, for myself, family friend. She takes care of our autistic cousin. Been taking care of our autistic cousin since she was an infant, and our cousin's like 32, I think now. An uncle, he loves Indianapolis coats, so I got a lot of coat stuff for him. My sister's already bagged all this stuff up, or I would show it to you. And another family friend, she wears a 3X. And, you know, when I was chesty, it's hard to find good clothes that'll fit you because of your chesty. And God bless her, I'm not going to say her name, but she's chesty and she's got a stomach on her. So she wears a 3X, but I found a lot of stuff. It's the same with what I've already showed you. And we got her some of that in 3X. And I got my brother a sweatshirt. That was in 3X. So all in all, I went to 2 different Meijers near me. I spent a lot of money, but I saved even more. Thank heavens. So again, if you have a Meijer near you, check them out. Check out the clearance. Go clean up. Because it's time. It's time to get that clearance. Thank you all for coming along with me on my Meijer haul. Leave a comment. Let me know what you like, what you didn't like. And if you want to see more of these when I go shopping, let me know. And I'm also going to put somewhere in the video, I took a picture of myself and my carts at each store. I'll put that somewhere in the video too to pop up so you can see it. And before I close out, I got to say thank you, thank you, thank you. I have reached over 1,000 subscribers. I want to do a live giveaway maybe on Saturday. I'm going to do a community post to see what day will work for you guys, because I said I would give back when I got there. I'm losing watch hours though. My goodness, if you guys will watch my videos, I really appreciate it. I went from having 1,800 watch hours in December of last year, December of 2024, but because my 12-month period has rolled over, I'm now down to 1,019, and that sucks. I've lost over 800 watch hours. So I gotta start doing some more lives, and you guys gotta start watching my videos. Anyway, thanks again for coming along. Appreciate you all. And I'll see you in the next video. Go to Meijer. Bye for now.